You are standing in your kitchen at 7 in the morning while staring at a hunk of frozen fruit and a handful of kale. It feels like a battle against your own breakfast. You want something that will pulverize those ingredients into a liquid silk. You do not want to wake up the entire neighborhood. You certainly do not want a degree in engineering to operate your appliances. This brings us straight into the world of high-end blending. The newest lineup of heavy hitters is making a massive splash right now. We are looking at two very similar machines. Both promise to change how you handle your morning routine. At first glance, these things are absolute tanks. They feature a gorgeous brushed stainless steel finish. It makes any countertop look professional immediately. They have a weight to them that screams durability. You know just by touching them that they will not rattle off the counter. These machines stay put even when you crank up the speed to the maximum level. Both versions come with a massive blending container. It handles everything from a single serving smoothie to a family-sized batch of soup. Cleaning them is a total breeze. Both have a self-cleaning cycle built right in. You just toss in some warm water, add a single drop of dish soap. Let the motor do the heavy lifting for about a minute. When it comes to the raw power under the hood, these two are practically twins. Whether you are making thick almond butter or a steaming hot vegetable soup, you get results. They crush ice into snow for frozen treats without a single hiccup. Both machines deliver that signature smooth texture people expect from a top-tier brand. You will not find one struggling where the other succeeds. They both have the same muscle. So why even choose between them? The real split happens when you look at how you actually interact with the machine. The foundational model is built for the purists. It gives you those essential programs. It features a manual speed dial that lets you take total control. It is straightforward. It is honest. You turn the dial and you press the button. You get exactly what you want. On the other side, the premium version is all about making your life easier. It adds a whole suite of automatic programs. You get one-touch buttons for smoothies and frozen desserts. It even has more specific cleaning cycles. It is the smarter brother of the pair. It takes the guesswork out of the process. You can press a button and walk away to pack your lunch. The machine manages the speeds and timing for you. Both of these machines share the same smart technology. They can actually sense which container you have attached. This is huge for consistency. It prevents you from overprocessing a small batch. It ensures you do not underblend a large one. The machine adjusts its internal settings based on the size of the jar. It is future-proof and incredibly clever. Now, let us be real about the noise. These are powerful tools with high-speed motors. They are going to make a statement. However, they are engineered to minimize vibration. They do not have that cheap, high-pitched whine. It is a solid mechanical roar that sounds like quality. When you look at the price tag, the foundational model is the clear value king. You get all that professional power without paying for bells and whistles you might not use. If you like to be hands-on, why pay more for buttons you will never touch? But if you value your time, the extra investment for the premium version is justified. It really comes down to how much you value those presets. Both are incredible investments. They will likely outlast most of your other kitchen appliances. Choosing the right one is just a matter of matching the interface to your personal style. One gives you the wheel. The other offers a pilot. Either way, you are getting a masterpiece of kitchen engineering.